a fresh cup of coffee with rum and Kahlua in it. 5 stars.
The key to a great cup of coffee is to make it yourself.
You can make this cup of gourmet coffee with a K-Cup coffee maker or
On a camp stove, a backpacking stove, or over a campfire. After all you need to do
is boil water. Plus, you can always substitute hot chocolate powder or liqueurs to suit your taste.
Camping coffee when it's 40 degrees outside in the morning, it's extra steamy. Well, I did the math, and I can have 26 cups of coffee like this one for the cost of 1 Starbucks.